Where's Sonic? He should have been here by now.
Do you think we should get out of here? If Bloom said it was the right move, then it has to be the right move.
Hey there, Knuckles.
You're late, Slowpoke.
Yeah, well, I stopped to enjoy the scenery.
Now what?
Power convergence? Good idea. Now, let's do it, girls.
We are the Winx, we are the Winx, come join the club. We are the Winx, we are the Winx, we are the Winx. We are the Winx.
This planet is pretty cool.
This better be good.
It's nice here. Yeah, you'd like this world too if you weren't such a party pooper.
If this is the grand ballroom, I'm leaving them my interior designer's number. Wallpaper might do the trick.
Enough talk. Let's go.
Ah, relax, will ya? We have all afternoon to duke it out, buddy boy.
I'm not your buddy, and don't forget it, smart Alec. Now put him up! I didn't come here to sniff the flowers.
That's your loss. You don't know what you're missing.
That's pretty helpful.
But if you'd rather get clobbered by me...
Shut up! Give me the emerald you stole, or else.
Your brain's even slower than your feet.
Now is the time.
I say we fight him.
That's right. It's 4 against 3. Let's take them down.
Bring it! If you've got the guts.
We're gonna make you three wish you never heard of Althea.
Wait till it gets close and then strike.
Let's dance. Remember, my sons, even the mighty oak. Yeah. Be careful and do not be overconfident.
That thing is so gross. Air travel.
I heard if one of those things slimes you, you can't get the smell out for like a week. Even if you use magical shampoo.
Man, don't you hate when this happens?
Oh, not a bad view.
Yeah. Huh?
It's lucky I fell in the kiddie pool. Get ready. You're going down.
I'm not for deforestation, but in this case, we don't have a choice.
Tell your boss the answer is no.
Let's end this now!
Everybody stop! Okay, the wings are coming off.